The Warners is a family of 4 living in South Florida. Tim and Joy work full-time, and both their kids are in school. Everyone in this family has a very active life and a busy schedule.
Whether we're running from field to practice to games to work to business to this and that, we just, it's a nonstop lifestyle that we live.
Sundays is basically our only day that we get to, sit together as a family. We like watching Sunday football or a movie.
The family has a great setup to watch films at home, but there's still something missing. So they called Phil Jones from Sound United, an expert in audio and professional home theater.
So as you can see, we have a really great TV, but we just don't have the sound to go with it.
Tim contacted us about adding some sound to their house and basically making movie night better. I think in this room we could definitely do a really immersive surround sound experience. So things are whizzing over your head, you get the big, deep bass explosions, and the kids are gonna just absolutely love it.
That'd be awesome. So I've been talking to Phil, and he's showed us some of the things that he's gonna do for our home theater.
Let me ask you another question. Music. Do you guys play a lot of music in your home?
We love music. I'm just super excited because he's also been able to show us that we can do so much more.
So we wanted to say, where in the house are you going to enjoy music besides the living room? By calculating it all, we could put about 8 zones of music in this particular space.
The new installation plan makes Tim a little worried. He only has 2 days to get everything installed.
What's the rush, Tim?
My wife is on a business trip, and I really want to surprise her, have everything done when she gets back.
So Sound United is made up of several brands, including Denon, Marantz, Hios, Polk. And I think I have the right solution so we can get the job done quickly.
Time is of the essence. So Sound United called Mark Herman from Media Image to help install all products in less than 48 hours.
The Hios system that we put in this house is fantastic. Because we had a limited amount of time, we were able to get it up and running very quickly based on the fact that we didn't have to run wires.
I came up with a system that I think you're going to just absolutely love.
Great.
You actually have a center channel, so your dialogue is really good. We've added a subwoofer in here, and there's even speakers behind your couch, so when things fly over, dude, they fly over.
I can't wait.
To make it even easier, we've added an Alexa to this room, so I can say something like, Alexa, play rock and roll in the living room.
Walked into the living room, and Phil started talking to Alexa, asked her to play some rock and roll, and boom, the whole room was just filled with music.
Sound United and Media Image also upgraded the audio system throughout the rest of the house.
We also added music to pretty much every room in your house. There's about 8 zones.
We can play the same music in every single room in synchronicity, or we can have separate streams playing in any of the zones that we want.
In Aiden's room, we put a Hios 3. The Hios 3 is going to give him great sound in a room like this. It's going to be rich and full and everything else. But you notice there's another speaker next to the dot. Can you grab that?
Yep.
2 of the zones are actually portable.
The Denon Hios 1 with GoPack has a 6-hour battery life. And like all speakers in the house, it can be smart controlled.
You download the app, and anybody that has that app can control any speaker that's in the house. To make it even easier, of course, we also have the voice services that we'll work with. So if you have an Echo Dot, an Apple Siri product, or even a Google Assistant product, you're good to go.
Here's the clincher. Can I wake him up in the morning from my room or another room?
If you want to, you can actually go to your dot and say, play the Barney song.
Changed my life.
Sometimes the kids want to play video games, while Tim and Joy watch a film. So Sound United installed a voice remote-controlled soundbar in the game room.
The cool thing about this one is it gives you great Polk sound, just like the big Polk speakers you have in your living room, but in a far more compact solution. Sound United's goal is to bring joy to the world through sound. And I think when Tim and his family gets to enjoy this actual system, I think they're going to be blown away.
Sound United and Media Image were able to finish the install in time for Joy's arrival. And now the family is ready for the big reveal.
Just to be able to see her face when she saw everything that we had done, it just made everything worth it.
I think she was super happy and really excited about it. I was.